Hi everyone, in this video we will solve linear systems of equations. One variable did not written here. It's not written in terms of another variable, so I think we should eliminate these one of these variables. So if you multiply the second equation by 2, second equation here by 2, observe negative 2y is right here. You can create positive 2y. If you multiply the second equation times 2, everything, you can create positive 2y and we can eliminate y's. This is the plan. Let me rewrite the first one. 3x minus 2y is actually negative 7. 2 times, we multiply everything by 2 by the way, 2 times negative 4, x negative 8x, 2 times 2 times y is positive 2y, and 2 times 11 is 22. Let's add them side by side. Do you see that negative 2y, positive 2y is going to make 0 here? You can make 0 here. So negative 8x plus 3x is negative 5x. And negative 7 plus 22 is 15. If you divide both sides by 5, negative 5, right? Remember, negative divided by negative is going to be positive. This is x here. 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. All right, so you know what x is. It is time to make back substitution. So 3 times, for x I want you to use negative 3. You just calculate it, right? Here, I'm just working on this one. And negative 2 times y is still unknown, is negative 7. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 2y is negative 7. And I need to add 9 both sides. If you add 9 both sides, you can eliminate 9's, and you have negative 2y here is negative 7 plus 9 is 2. Divide both sides by 2. Sorry, negative 2, right? Since the coefficient is negative 2, y is 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. I want to emphasize something here, which is important, guys. The solution of the system of equations is a point. The solution is this. The solution is a point. We always write x first. X was negative 3, remember, and then y. This is a point. This is a point of intersection, which is our solution. Right. I think we can solve one more word problem, which is right here. A group of 2 adults and 4 children paid $95 for admission to a water park. We don't know the ticket price for adults or children. Let's define variables here. Let's say we are going to use A for the adult ticket. Adult ticket price. Let's use C for the children ticket price. Okay, but unit price, of course, for one ticket. I'm talking about one ticket. One ticket price. All right. Write a system of equations that can be used. Determine the admission price to the water park for an adult. Oh, it's already here. And a child. See, I'm glad that we defined we use same variables. All right. 2 adults, they are going to pay 2 times A, $2, right? And then plus, for 4 children, you are going to pay $4C, 95 is the total. And the another second equation is this, For 3 adults, you are going to pay three $8, and then 7 children, $7 $155 is the sum. What is the admission price in dollars for one child? You are looking for C. I need to eliminate A values. Why don't we multiply the first equation by 3 to create 6A? If you multiply the second equation by -2, you can create -6A. And I can eliminate A's and solve for C. This is the plan. 3 times 2A is 6A, plus 3 times 4C is 12C. 3 times 95 is 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 9, 27, 28, $285. -2 times 3A is -6A. And -2 times 7C is -14C. And -2 times 155 is -310, I guess, right? 310, right? All right. So if you put these together, you can eliminate A's. -2C is 10, 15, $25. If you divide both sides by the way, it's -$25. If you divide both sides by -2, you can get -25 divided by -2 is $12.50. This is the admission price for one child. $12.50. All right. Thank you.